Hey YouTube, it's Tasha with Tasha's Truth, and I'm getting ready to make deodorant. So, y'all watch me. I'm gonna do 5 tablespoons of coconut oil, organic, cold pressed coconut oil. 5 tablespoons of shea butter. 3 tablespoons of baking soda, aluminum free. And a half a cup of organic arrowroot powder. And I'm gonna do 12 to 15 drops of lavender oil. I did 15, and I'm gonna do 15 of tea tree oil. I'm gonna mix it up. Does it not look this powdery? Enough, y'all. This look more liquidy than this. Trying to figure out how this gonna be a deodorant. Hallelujah. I wonder was I supposed to melt, if I missed a step and was supposed to melt this shea butter and stuff. I gotta go back and look. Alright y'all, so I did mess up. It had to be liquid. So the coconut oil and the shea butter can be warm and melted. And then you add in the baking soda, the arrowroot, and the drops of tea tree oil and lavender oil. And then you mix it like this. And then you pour it into the jar. You're gonna refrigerate it for 2 hours. Okay, this is a deodorant. This isn't when it came out of the refrigerator, but after I put it in the refrigerator for 2 hours, took it out, the next day it's soft, it's like soft. And so you just apply it under your arm, and it held me the whole day. And I was sweating and everything, and there was no smell. So I think this is a win-win right here. All right, that's all. Thank you for watching. Have a manifesting day. Bye.